If you're hunting for the best professional cameras of 2024, you're in the right place. From stunning 8K video capture to incredibly precise autofocus systems, these cameras are designed to take your photography and filmmaking game to a whole new level. And we are here with the top products alone. The Canon EOS R5 C mirrorless camera is a hybrid powerhouse designed for both professional photographers and videographers looking to elevate their craft. Equipped with a 45-megapixel CMOS sensor and the advanced DIGIC X processor, this camera delivers stunning 8K 60p RAW video and vibrant, detailed stills. It offers Dual Pixel CMOS AF with ITR AF X technology, providing flawless autofocus and tracking, whether you're shooting fast action or intimate portraits. The 12 FPS mechanical and 20 FPS electronic shutter capture every split-second moment, perfect for high-speed photography. For video creators, the built-in cooling fan ensures uninterrupted 8K recording without overheating, making it ideal for long shoots. The Canon R5 C also features professional-grade connectivity with timecode input-output, 13 customizable buttons, and multiple recording formats like MXF-based XF-AVC and MP4, offering flexibility for broadcast or post-production. The 8K HDR capabilities with hybrid log gamma and PQ formats bring lifelike video quality to your projects. This camera is all about precision, power, and versatility, making it a go-to for creatives who demand nothing but the best from their gear. Next is Nikon Z9, a flagship mirrorless camera built for professionals who need unmatched power, speed, and versatility. With a 45.7-megapixel stacked CMOS sensor paired with Nikon's X-Speed 7 image processing, it delivers stunning image quality and exceptional performance, even with fast-moving subjects. Its advanced subject detection, powered by deep learning, can automatically track people, animals, vehicles, and more across both stills and video without needing to dive into menus. This beast of a camera captures 45.7-megapixel stills at 20 or 30 frames per second, and even offers an incredible 120 frames per second for 11-megapixel stills, all with full autofocus and auto exposure and no viewfinder blackout. It supports in-camera 8K 30p video recording for over 2 hours straight and offers 4K 120p for stunning slow-motion shots. The Z9 also records high-quality 10-bit 4K 30p from oversampled 8K footage, supporting ProRes 422 HQ or H.265 formats for professional workflows. Plus, Nikon's new high-efficiency RAW format reduces file sizes to 1/3 of the size of uncompressed RAW, all while maintaining incredible image quality and dynamic range. Ideal for both photographers and videographers who need peak performance, the Z9 is Nikon's ultimate professional tool. Coming next, the Canon EOS R5 Mark II takes Canon's mirrorless game to new heights with a completely redesigned 45-megapixel full-frame back-illuminated stacked CMOS sensor, delivering superior image quality and lightning-fast readout speeds. This sensor allows for a staggering 30 frames per second shooting with its electronic shutter, making it ideal for capturing fast-paced action with zero compromises. New autofocus upgrades, like eye control focus, offer precise control, allowing you to lock focus simply by looking at the subject, and it keeps track of moving subjects even if they're briefly obscured. In action-packed scenes, the camera's action priority mode interprets the environment and predicts the main subject to ensure focus remains locked on. Plus, for creators who need both video and stills, the R5 Mark II offers simultaneous capture of both formats without any interruptions. An absolute game-changer for multimedia shooters. With all these advancements, the Canon EOS R5 Mark II is a powerhouse for photographers and videographers who need speed, precision, and reliability all packed into one. Next, the Panasonic Lumix S5II is a true powerhouse for hybrid shooters, boasting major upgrades to performance, especially in autofocus and image stabilization. Its 24.2 megapixel full-frame CMOS sensor captures high-resolution images with natural details, enhanced by approximately double the speed in signal processing. The new phase hybrid autofocus delivers fast, accurate tracking even in challenging lighting, ensuring your subject remains sharp amidst movement and multiple objects. For videographers, Panasonic introduces Active IS technology, ideal for stable walking shots and smoother video, further boosting the already impressive in-body stabilization. With unlimited 4:2:2 10-bit recording, this camera is built for extended shoots, thanks to its sophisticated heat management system that uses a compact fan and high-efficiency heatsink. The camera offers 14+ stops of dynamic range with V-Log V-gamut capabilities, making it perfect for professional-grade color grading. Plus, the new real-time LUT feature lets you apply custom color profiles directly in camera. Whether you're capturing stills or shooting high-end video, the Lumix S5 II's compact, rugged body doesn't compromise on power or versatility. Wrapping up, we have the Nikon Z8, a professional-grade full-frame mirrorless camera designed for hybrid shooters who demand high performance in both stills and video. Powered by a 45.7 megapixel stacked CMOS sensor and Nikon's X-Speed 7 processing engine, this camera delivers stunning image quality and advanced processing speeds. Its autofocus system, developed with deep learning technology, offers pinpoint accuracy even in low light -9 EV and includes subject detection and 3D tracking for seamless focus on people, pets, vehicles, and more. The Z8 excels in video, supporting 8K 60p and 4K 120p recording internally, with options for 12-bit NRAW and ProRes RAW formats. Flexible file formats such as 14-bit RAW, HEIF, and JPEG offer versatility for any workflow. Enhanced portrait features like skin softening and portrait impression balance ensure beautiful results, while high-speed continuous shooting options up to 120 frames per second make capturing fast action effortless. The Nikon Z8 is built for photographers and videographers who want top-tier performance in a compact, versatile body.
Thanks for watching. If you liked what you saw, then hit the like button and subscribe to our channel if you loved it. Take a moment to hit the bell icon so you'll get notified of all our latest uploads.